It's a free country. If I want to walk around with bodywork video on, I will. It's none of your business, is it?
But I don't appreciate you keep coming up to the end of the corner every time you hear a loud car.
I live here. What are you going to do about it?
I live around here as well.
Exactly. So I'm as entitled to be there as you are, aren't I?
No, you're not. Because I see
what? I'm not entitled to stand on the corner and cross the road.
No, you are. Yeah.
Well then.
Where were you when I was just coming down that road?
Standing where I was waiting while you flew down the road.
Flew down the road?
Yeah.
Where's your calibration for your speed gun?
I haven't got speed gun.
So I didn't know I was flying down the road. Just because it's a loud car, don't
At the end of the day, I'm allowed an opinion. If you don't like it, it's tough luck. I suggest you go on your way, because this is turning into harassment. What? I didn't ask you to stop in the street and gob off at me. Get lost.